How to create Gmail account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Google application. Then tap on your top right corner on the profile icon. If you do not have any, it will show a guest profile icon. Now, drag down this button. After that, go to add another account. Verify your identity using your fingerprint scanner or your PIN. Now go to create account. Select if it is for the personal use or your work or business. Now enter your first name. The last name is optional. Tap on next. After that, enter your birthday, your gender, then tap on next. Now you will have to choose a username for yourself. Tap on next. Make sure you select a username that is not already taken. Enter a strong password, create a password, and then enter it. Tap on next. So adding a phone number is optional. If you do not want to add any kind of phone number, simply tap on the skip button from your bottom left. Tap on next and done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.